Hello everyone, welcome back to a new tutorial video on how you can create a Garena account. Before starting this video, please make sure to subscribe and to press the notification bell icon to get updated. So let's get this video started. First of all, you need to open any web browser on your PC as I am using a Microsoft Edge for this. Now go in for new tab and search in for a garena.com and press enter. At the official web page of Garena, you can see the option of account on top right of your screen. You click on account. You will get directed to the login form page where you need to provide your username or email address and password. Then click on login now where you will get directly logged in into your Garena account. As we are going to get a new register, we need to click on a link provided, that is register a new account. Here at the registration page, you need to fill up all the details that has been given, starting from the very first, that is username, password. Re-enter your password for the confirmation. Now you go in for providing your email address. Now then you go in for selecting your country code. Now you go in for providing your phone number. Here for the verification code, you need to click on get code. The code will be sent to your phone number that you just provided. Provide the verification code over the verification code text field. Then you go in for selecting your country. After you provide all the details, you need to click on the checkbox I agree to the terms of service and privacy policy. Then you click on register now. To protect your Garena account, please verify. Here you need to verify your email address. For that, you need to open your email and checking for the mail sent by the Garena. As you can see at very first the email from Garena, you click and open the mail. Here you need to click on the given link. You have successfully verified your email. That is, my provided email address has been successfully verified. Now you can click on back home or you can open the previous tab. As you can see, my Garena account has been successfully created. This is how you can create a Garena account. Hope this video is fruitful for you all on how to get registered to the Garena account. Thank you.